guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adi2 here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm finally bringing you the July 2021, I can't believe it, almost a whole year, monthly highlights video using this kit from PlannerFace. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm recording this voiceover on June the 5th. So now I'm promising that I'm going to edit all the videos I have filmed, because I've caught up in, I finished my 2021 planner and I've almost caught up in my 2022 planner. So I've kind of adjusted to motherhood now and I feel like I can balance everything. So I'm making the promise, hopefully I don't break it, that I'm going to be uploading regular videos and bringing in hair videos again and stuff like that, if you did watch those. But anyway, so I'm almost finished laying down the base, so I might as well just wait a second and then start when I'm ready to start. So as usual, I'm going to talk through the icons I used and what I did, and I won't talk about the boxes because they're quite obvious. So starting with the first, I used a book icon from, I think, the kit, and a car icon to note doing phonics testings and there being traffic. On to Tuesday, I used a TV sticker from Cardi Plans to note watching Love Island with my husband, and then a pizza icon to note getting some pizza. On the 3rd, I used a shopping bag sticker to note I was doing some clothes shopping. I think I was doing some maternity clothes shopping. And then you're going to notice I made lots of mistakes when filming this video, because it was probably the first video I filmed since having my baby and stuff, and I kept getting confused and putting the wrong dates in places, so I apologise for that in advance. So yeah, I used a shopping bag from the kit to note shopping, and then a budget sticker from Papershire to note doing some budgeting. On the Sunday, I used a car from the kit to note that my husband was doing some driving, and then I used a Papershire Nana to note doing a food shop. On to the 5th, I used a teacup from the kit to note having chats with my mum, and then a nurse sticker to note having to go to the GP. On the 6th, I used a popcorn sticker to note watching something. A YouTube binge, I guess, I don't remember. And then a burger sticker to note having BIMS. First voiceover is going to be all over the face. The first one back is always is, so I'm sorry. On the 7th, I used a bow sticker to note that I told someone I was pregnant at work that day. Then I upload sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio or Secret Planko, I don't remember, to note uploading a video. On the 8th, I used a popcorn sticker again to note watching Love Island, and then a pregnancy sticker to note I was having some crabs. On to the 9th, I used a blood sticker to note that I had to take a blood test. I think it was a blood test to note that I was pregnant. And then a car sticker to note that my car was fixed. Oh, I had to fix something on my car, I don't remember. On the 10th, I used this old munchkin to note doing some editing, and the headphone sticker to note put in some AirPods. Then on the 11th, that my husband did some cleaning and I did some laundry with a sticker from Fox and Cactus and a sticker from from Sugary Gal Shop. Oh, and behind, on the 12th, I noted a car being on fire at work with this Papershire Nana, and the pencil sticker from the kit to note I was doing some classroom stuff. On the 13th, I used a sticker from Sticker with the Planko to note it was really hot, and this knife and fork to note getting some free food. That's from the kit. And the 14th, I used a Sticker with the Planko sticker to note getting some petrol, and a Zoom sticker to note having a meeting on Zoom. On the 15th, I marked being super tired with a sleep sticker and a pencil to note covering. On the 16th, I used this Papershire sticker to note packing a lunch, and trainer sticker to note we went on a trip to the park. On the 17th, I used this slash sticker from PlannerFace to note getting some slushies, and the waffle stickers to note eating waffles that morning. Ooh, I caught up. On the 18th, I used this couple sticker from Glam Planner to note we had a movie night. Moving on to the 19th, I used this sticker from Valiant to note that I ripped my jeans this day at work. I don't know if I had gained weight from pregnancy or I don't know, but I ripped my jeans at work. And then I used this airplane sticker to note that it was a transition week. And I thought it was a cool way of marking it to note the kids' transition to next year. They had a practice round in their new class. On the 20th, it was Eid, so I used this moss sticker from Joy of Planning to note that. On the 21st, I noted it was sports day with this bicycle sticker from Miss Moss. On the 22nd, I used this ticket sticker from the kit to note that it was a year 6 leavers play, and a couple's cuddling sticker from Papershire to note cuddles. This is the consoling one, but I just use it for cuddles sometimes anyways. On the 23rd, I used this crying sticker from Papershire to note it was the last day of school and I was in my feelings because some people were leaving. And I used this bow sticker to note that I had to say bye to a close colleague of mine. On the 24th, I used a breakfast sticker from Beniva's Creations, I believe, to note ordering in breakfast. And then this hair appointment sticker from Sweet Car Design to note I was doing my sister-in-law's hair. On the 25th, I used this sticker with Planko, like raining and rainbow girl to note it was hot and rainy this day. And then a Instagram play button sticker that I have no clue where it's from to note I made an Instagram post. On the 26th, I used this doctor or nurse sticker from Once More with Love to note I had to go to my hospital to register my pregnancy. And then I used this Starbucks sticker from the Coffee Monsters Code to note getting some Starbucks. On the 27th, I used this photo sticker from the kit to note I got a call to book my first prenatal appointment, and I used this YouTube play button. I think it's from a paper candy art like free leftover or freebie to note my YouTube binge. Probably a free because it's on glossy. On the 28th, I used another phone sticker to note that I spoke to my brother, and I think this is when I told him the news. I might have told him earlier, I don't remember. And then I used this Paper Dolls Co. Bad Hair Girl to note I took my hair out. On the 29th, I used a Paper Dolls Co. Girl like with some tea to note that it was really sleepy and I drank lots of tea and toast that day, and I had lots of toast that day. On the 30th, I used this Happy Meal sticker from SBC to note that I got my US box, and then this movie sticker from Once More in Love to note watching Now You See Me. On the 31st, I used another one of those Once More in Love's movie characters to note watching Matrix, and then a nauseous character from Joy of Planet to note I was feeling nauseous. So, this was all that's left of the kit. That was a rush, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.